Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that button and you can see all of my videos as soon as they're uploaded. This Peppa Pig story is called Flying a Kite. It is a bright, sunny day. Peppa and her family are at the park. They are going to fly a kite. Peppa goes first. She runs and runs, but the kite doesn't fly. "You need to wait for the wind, Peppa," says Daddy Pig. It's George's turn next. He runs and runs. The wind picks up and lifts him off the ground. "Whee!" he cries. "I've got you, George," says Peppa, catching him. The kite is flying very high now. "Perhaps I'd better take over," says Daddy Pig. "I am a bit of an expert after all." Daddy Pig is very good at kite flying. "That's amazing, Daddy," cries Peppa. "Now do a loop-the-loop." "Watch out for the trees," says Mummy Pig. Oh dear, the kite is stuck in a tree. "Stand back, everyone," says Daddy Pig. "I'll get it down in a jiffy." "Be careful, Daddy," says Peppa. Daddy Pig climbs the tree. "I don't think that branch will hold you, Daddy Pig," says Mummy Pig. "Nonsense," says Daddy Pig, reaching for the kite. Oh no, Daddy Pig is falling. "Whoa!" he cries. "Look out below!" Daddy Pig is heading straight for a big muddy puddle. Splat! "Are you okay, Daddy?" asks Peppa. "Yes, Peppa," replies Daddy Pig. "Luckily the mud broke my fall." Daddy Pig holds up the kite. He rescued it! Hooray! "Mummy," says Peppa, "can we jump in the muddy puddle, please?" "I suppose you can't get any muddier," replies Mummy Pig. Everyone has lots of fun jumping up and down in the muddy puddle. Splat! Splash! "I like flying a kite," says Peppa, "but I love jumping in muddy puddles." And that's the end of the story. I hope you've enjoyed it and I'll see you soon for the next one. Thanks. Bye.